Hi, this is a QA test planner agent that I have built using Playwright and Google ADK. Um, Watch what it does with just one URL. Okay, so I'm just typing one URL. Let me give that create full test plan. Oh, sorry, plan for https colon double slash www.source source demo.com stuff. Okay, let me give this one. And I just give a one URL, no configuration, no manual steps. I just given that it goes and read the actual live page and real form fields, real buttons from that page. So look, we got the response in this format. The test plan swag lab URL is this purposes. This page serves as a login portal for a swag lab e-commerce application. It's give the information about the website, then the scope of the website, the test scenarios, what are the positive, negative scenarios, edge cases, security, and also it's give the test data, what are the test data, invalid, in not valid, special test cases, automation nodes, everything it's given. So this is the beauty of the this agent. And like this one, follow for the code and comment test plan if you want me to break down how I built this agent by step. Thank you.